There's a pandemic and you need toilet paper. But toilet paper's all gone from shelves in shops. What do you do? What do you do? Stop, don't panic. There's a simple solution used by over 1 billion people worldwide. You'll need a bidet shower or any 1 to 2 liter water container with a narrow neck. Keep the container on your right side in the toilet. Once you're done and ready to clean yourself, gently pour water onto your left hand. Keep wiping using the water and your left hand. You are using water instead of toilet paper. Rinse your left hand when you finish wiping. Then wash both of your hands thoroughly.